Hello everyone. Can you guys hear me? Yay.
Hey guys, what's going on? Hey guys, what's going on?
Yo, 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 yo. So today is Brickside Chat 26th. And right now, about 50 people are listening. Yeah. Welcome here. All right. So probably for some people here, it's like this is your first ever Brickside Chat. So I'll explain what's going on now. So Hunt Town overall is a kind of Web3 builders community space. We actually love to call as guild. It's more like we're like a more cohesive than community. It's more like remember in your college period there was like kind of fraternity and stuff, right? And then there are a lot of brothers and sisterhoods like they can back you, whatever you do. This is that kind of place. So we do lots of stuff on Web3 space. Like you probably be a founder of something or just individual heavy users on Web3. You're doing something cooking right now, yeah. So anyway, involving in heavily in Web3, you need help. You need like brotherhood, sisterhood, whoever kind of back you and then support you whatever you do, and then. So yeah, this space is made for that purpose. And yeah, because of that, we run kind of very casual online meetups bi-weekly basis, which is called Brickside Chat. And you're listening to that. Also, you can join the chat. Yeah, so yeah, it's really fun. So we usually kind of post kind of like a potential dates to select, and then people vote, and that's how we choose our dates. So there's no set date. Like it's not like every Thursday, every Wednesday. It's not like that. People choose the next Brickside Chat date, so which is called unique way to decide. All right. So today we're gonna have very interesting showcase. So before to get to the project showcase, let's quickly update about this thing. You know, like we want to see as many as people from Workcast to join this Brickside chat. So yeah, please share this amazing meetup screenshot and then just post here. All right, and then I'm gonna tip you, hunt tipping. After finishing this Brickside chat. All right. So this is just like a fun small event to tip you guys. And also, I'm not sure if
The most important.
like when you see this video, how many people here who joined Mongdi Ideathon? We've done this like what, like kind of a week ago, 8 days ago, yeah, 8 days ago, 9 days ago, I guess. How many people were there here? Wow, Miko, you're there. Yeah. And Chua, yeah, Leah, yeah, a lot of people. Yeah, it was really fun. So what we've done is that so Mongdi is kind of like a Web3 onboarding club, but targeted only for Korean at the moment. But yeah, next season is gonna be kind of global level. Anyway, they've kind of form a team and then kind of cooked up some kind of fun meme coin project or meme NFT project, and we did fun ideathon in the Hunter Town space. It was very successful. Um, okay, whose mic is on? Whenever I saw someone's mic on and then you're not gonna properly speak, then I'm gonna ask you to the rap or sing a song, sort of like that, right? Do you know that? Sorry. Yeah, so far nobody actually sang a song yet. I'm kind of waiting for someone actually sing. So yeah, welcome to turn on your mic. Anyway, so yeah, so Mongdi Ideathon was really successful. So 7 very interesting meme coin projects or meme NFT project were kind of cooked up, and the first winner was the project called Stick Run. They actually created Farcaster space called Stick Run, I think. Stick Run, let me check. Anyone knows like the channel URL? Please feel free to share. Oh, I found it. Yeah, here. Yeah. So I'm not sure how many people saw this kind of fun the PFP images. Probably some of them already saw this, right? Yeah. So they're gonna actually run this project. I think called Stick Run, like a kind of running together in a more fun way, not a boring way, or with kind of fun Stick Run PFP NFT. I think that's kind of their main concept. Yeah, this is kind of first winner of the project. But yeah, it was really difficult to choose first winner. All of them projects were amazingly fun and very creative. So yeah, I strongly suggest you to check this video and then maybe feel see some feel inspirations from those kind of creative meme coin project. And please support this project. Okay, make a big applause for them. Support them, share them. All right, everyone, please.
You guys still going up?
All right. Now,
Daddy, chill.
I kind of a little bit worried because the person who is gonna do pro showcase right now is 7 a.m. and for this person 7 a.m. is like what is it like? Yeah, probably it's his first time ever he's been on this got up this time, so I'm kind of a little worried about. But undefined, are you there now? Oh no, I think he's still
おはよう
sleeping.
ございます。
All right, everyone,
Yeah.
let's make a big welcome for him so that he can really wake up. Everyone, woohoo! Yo yo yo.
I'm awake.
Are you sure you're awake, or you kind of put it up
Um,
some kind of AI version of you and then he's talking instead of you?
I don't know. You have to check. I woke up like 5 minutes ago. So it's in the process. But, yeah.
Oh my god, so he just woke up 5 minutes ago, means that the maybe like what's your trouser color? Is that skin color or something color?
It's always. So, I mean, most of you guys probably know already, but it's always blue. 90% of the time.
All right, yeah, potentially, yeah, naked, probably. Anyway, how many people here that undefined is also required to be introduced? Like who doesn't know undefined here? Raise your hand. So yeah, we can skip his introduction, right? Wow. Okay, there is person who does not know who won undefined. Yeah, I know that they're kind of joking, but yeah, probably it's nice to kind of some cool introduction about undefined because he's by far probably one of the most coolest builders I've ever seen so far. So Andy, can you like define you within one sentence? Like who are
Okay.
you? Yeah.
Hi guys, I am undefined.
Oh yeah, that's one sentence. Yeah,
There we go.
You're not defined. Okay.
Nope.
No, yeah, people does not like it. Yeah, define more, please.
Okay. I like building cool stuff. I
Uh-huh.
like building fun stuff, and I love building stuff for you guys on Webcast.
Wow, I think the three words actually defined him really well. He said, "I'm building fun stuff, I'm building cool stuff, and I'm building stuffs. Fun, cool building." So his nickname is Fun Cool Bill. Fun Cool Bill. Like yeah, he hate to build something not cool, not fun, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, Fun Cool Build. Hey, Fun Cool Build. So far I heard that you have about like dozens of things on WordCast, right? Like so far you built.
That's true.
What's your kind of funniest thing ever you built on WordCast so far?
Funniest thing. So I was featured in a pro game once maybe like a month ago, and I was against Vitalik, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
I don't know if you guys.
you beat him, right? Anyone remember that? Anyone like knows that URL of that post? He beat Vitalik. Please share in the launch channel. You beat him, right?
Maybe,
Yeah.
yeah, I can find it. Hold on. But I built this frame where if you like the post, it grows the love, grows the member.
I mean, grow what? I don't know.
I don't
Is it
know. I don't
yeah,
find
some
it.
love emoji or something different thing like grow what? Okay. Duh, no, Kevin. No, probably there are some teenagers here. We should be careful. By the way, if you're teenagers, please close your eyes, just for seconds. Yeah. In the meantime, you're looking for that URL of that post. You also have a lot of useful tools, right? Like what, MoneyGun? MoneyGun probably is the most popular tools you've ever built in Morcast, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, actually, like based on the usage, I think translate action is one of the most used creations I've built.
Awesome, awesome. But like, do you get something from that?
No, so I'm
Yeah.
actually paying out of my own pocket for the translate action. It's actually insane. Like, I think about 5,000 people are using it every day.
Yeah.
So I'm paying like $20 every day out of my own pocket
Wow.
to fund it.
Oh my God, Tomo found it. A teenager, please close your eyes or skip that post, please. So there was a hilarious thing, right? Like if people express the love to you, like by clicking likes, then that's kind of grows, right? Something grows. I mean, love, yeah. Do you think Vitalik ever saw that post or not?
I hope not.
Okay. All right. So I think yeah, this is kind of enough how cool this undefined guy. I mean, I'm not sure if even this is a real person. Probably potentially be a very well designed AI. But yeah, it's really enough to see how cool he is. So let's get to the today's main topic called Hunt Tip system. Hunt Tip. Yeah, actually, he's one of the co-founders of this project. So I know all the history of how this project found, but I remember that there was a really interesting background. I mean, entire this tipping system actually brought up from Undefined. He suggested this project. So yeah, I remember that there was some background of this project. What was the reason you suddenly come up with this idea?
Hunt tipping.
Yeah, like so at the time I remember that there are a lot of tipping system out there already, and then
Right.
yeah, it was like getting stale a little bit, but you kind of came up with this idea with another background, like more different directions for that. What was that?
Yeah. So, like, I honestly think we are the OGs of tipping system because, like, we had like the build system tipping built into our Discord channel like way before.
Yeah.
So I thought it'd be really cool to have that on Warpcast as well because I think it aligns with our community's value like very well. And yeah, and I think that's how it started and how it sparks.
But I remember that at the time, yeah, there's decent tips and hand tips, and there are a lot of tips actually. And then the tipping system is usually designed for kind of, give and back stuff. I mean, it's supposed not to do for some tipping system, but yeah, like there are some like farming system at the moment. And then I think hunt tipping that you designed. I mean the whole ideation you came up with is somewhat different to that, right?
Right. I don't know if you guys knew about this already, but like we've been running like different grant programs for like Mint Club and Hunt as well. So we thought it'd be really nice to have a tipping system that rewards or like provides grants to cool projects, and thought this was a really good opportunity. Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, you use the word grant. So it's actually yeah. Oh, by the way, hold on. I think this is a cool time to ask whose mic is it? Ako, you have to sing. You have to sing. Everyone, call him. Ako. Hey, are you there? Yeah, we're talking to you. Your mic is on, so you have to sing a song, please. No, I mean your mic is on. So this is a rule. Someone's mic is on while we're doing project showcase. The person has to sing or just do some rap song. Are you gonna do that? Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. If not, I'm gonna just mute you. 10, 9, or rap song. Yeah, I'm literally just saying that please mute your mic or just do some cool thing. Your mic is on. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna ever see like someone's actually singing. Yeah. Can you mute your mic? Okay, thank you, Ako. All right. Yeah. So yeah, as you said, this is a grant, right? So what it means is like we supposed to give a tips for some builders who do some project. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Oh no, whose mic is it again?
No.
Who is it? All right, we should come up with a different system actually. Yeah, maybe if someone's mic's on, maybe do some rap song automatically for the person. I don't know. Yeah, so for example, right now, Nikolai is number 1. Gil, oh my God, Gil's here, right? Yeah, Gil, you're number 2. Did you know that? Yeah, so and Amaranthin, I think she's Leah in Discord. Yeah, she's number 3. So like these people supposed to get these amount of tips because they've done something cool, like building something or so it's supposed to be like supporting those builders. Is that correct? It's not like giving them back tipping system.
Yeah, it's kind of different in that way. So I think DGen, the amount you give, you get it's like 1-to-1 ratio, right? But there are 2 different types of grants given in Hunt tipping. So the first is the builder grant, which is the top 3 recipients in the received Hunt points.
So these 3 people.
Right, those 3 people will get the builder grant.
So wow, this is more like a kind of there's a prize things that like gold medal, bronze, silver medal, bronze medal, and we're kind of all choosing our favorite builders to support, and then so that the person can get that medal. It's not for myself. That's very unique concept, right? Huh.
Right, because I think I don't know, like tipping system. I've seen like a lot of dramas with DGen tipping.
Yeah,
and
I remember.
It's like a pretty playable system. I still believe that like these days, like I saw like this DGen. I think Tomo explained it to me, but there are a lot of after like the season changed, there are people who are staking a bunch of money in the pool, and they're just like kind of abusing the system again.
Yeah.
So if a certain cast gets 5D degens like commented on there, like that tip becomes invalid, and
wow.
Yeah, they might potentially get banned.
What if the abusers, groups of abusers, like kind of utilize the system, like so they use the D degen and then so that
that could also happen. That's what I thought. Like, what if they abuse it, right? Like, what if abusers go around and just start commenting DDgen?
Yeah. Gil said that the So yeah, your allowance is now based on how much degen you lock up, and degen cancels your degen tip. Oh, very complicated, to be honest, for the people like me, like like so. I think yeah, you're right. So whenever they come up with something, there is always abusers who faster and more like smarter to abuse the system, right? So then they have to make more complicated system, and yeah, that's kind of diminishing the origination, like the original purposes of that tipping system, which is kind of sad. So yeah, to sum up, Hunt Town tip system is designed to support my favorite builders, basically, not for myself.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Right.
awesome.
It's like a very, very
Oh.
wholesome
Yeah.
tipping system. I would.
Then now I kind of wonder that like so yeah, that's really good purposes. It's very beautiful, but still people want to earn something by from their actions, right? So there are a lot of tippers here. So you mentioned about tipper grants. So that's for these people, these tippers, right? What are they?
Exactly. So the second part of the grant is the tipper grant.
Uh-huh.
So basically, all the tippers who participated in the season, there will be a separate pool that will
Yeah.
be distributed
I
based
see.
on your participation.
So the tipper grant is designed just to like say, oh yeah, you did a great job, you did a good, you're really good people to support those builders. So this is a small gift. Is it some kind of like that?
Exactly right.
Awesome. So this to summarize. So people who received tips, this is more like Olympic. So these medalists will earn the grants. How many? Like, what are the grants? Are they like tokens or some NFTs? What are they?
Yeah, so they're actually receiving. I'm pretty sure you guys already know about the building NFTs and the mini building NFTs.
Yeah.
So they will be rewarded in the form of mini building NFTs.
So
Yeah.
this person will get 100 mini buildings, right? And
Yeah.
then
The first
Yeah.
prize gets 100 mini buildings.
100 mini buildings. A lot of mini buildings actually. I
Yeah.
I only have like 3 mini buildings now because I keep giving people like a raffle. You guys remember I always do raffle and then give my mini buildings. Wow, 100. And the second person is getting 60. Is that correct? Yeah.
Right.
And then third person, this person will get 40. 40.
Yes. And I don't know if you guys know, but these building NFTs and mini building NFTs, they actually have like a financial value because it's backed by a Hunt token, which is already listed on various platforms. Yeah. P7 is actually sharing it the CoinGecko page.
Coin market cap, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
So the big building has 1,000 Hunt tokens locked up in the NFT. So it's locked up for a year. If you burn it after a year, you actually get 1,000 Hunt tokens back. And mini building is NFT on base chain. And each mini building is actually worth 100 Hunt tokens.
So one mini building to mint is required to have 100 Hunt token. And then if you receive mini buildings, you can actually sell right away here, right?
Exactly right.
As 95 Hunt tokens. So
Yeah, so there's no lockup obligation for the mini buildings, but there is a sell or the burn
yeah.
fee for that. Yeah.
So let me get to the point. So for example, Gil. So if this is the final leaderboard at the end of the month, then Gil is number 2, which will give him 60 mini building. And after he received the 60 mini building, oh yay! And then go to the mint club and then sell the 60 mini building, will return 5,700 Hunt token, which is about $0.29. So wow, it's about $1,700. Nice. Gil, are you gonna do that?
That's pretty juicy.
But
Uh,
I heard that there's some tweak, interesting tweak in this system though.
exactly.
Yeah.
There is
Uh-huh.
an option given to the top three recipients.
Uh-huh.
They have three options to choose from. So first option is just to take it all. And second is to share the love. Second and third are actually sharing the love with the other builders. So I'm actually answering that question right now, Miracle. So
Yeah.
second option is to share 50% with the builders below them. So maybe rank 4. Let's say Gil decides to share his half. How many was it? 60. So if he were to share half, he would share 30 mini buildings with the.
I feel like we're kind of giving some pressures on him.
Oh no pressure. Yeah, I mean, I feel like as a builder,
Yeah,
like
let's
there
say-
should be no
Yeah, let's
no
say
shaming.
if Tomo receives this. Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
let's say Tomo receives
Yeah.
100 building, then that's to share. He would share 50% maybe, like down the leaderboard. So maybe rank 4 to 53.
Wow, really? So
Yeah, receive it.
So what he said is, so if Tomo received, if Tomo became number 1, so which will get 100 100 mini buildings, and if he decides to share 100% with other builders, so it means that he doesn't take any, then from 4 to 103 ranking builders will get 1 mini building each, right?
Oh, yeah, for 50%.
No, 100% share.
Yeah, for the
Because-
third option,
Because
which is
Tomo will share 100% if he's been chosen as number 1.
yeah, it could be. Yeah, that's how it works.
Did you guys hear that? Tomo is right now number 8 ranked. So if somebody give him more tips and then
Nope.
make him
Nope.
number 1,
Nope.
then we're gonna all get 1 mini buildings each because he is gonna share 100% of his own grant. Is that correct, Tomo? All right. So yeah, this is interesting scheme. So I mean, this is basically grant. So yeah, there's no pressures at all. They are deserved. They really deserve to have that grant. And this is kind of monthly basis system, right? So I think, but it's kind of interesting tweak. So if the top grant holders decide to share, like donate their grant with other builders, then I think we should really appreciate that, right? Because which is really amazing things to do, like what Tomo is gonna do.
Yeah, so even if you're not on the top 3, it's good to rank higher.
Yeah.
Because if they all decide to share the love,
Yeah.
you might receive up to 3 mini
Aha.
building.
So if your rank is higher possible, then and then if they share like a 50%, which is like from 4 to rank 53, right? So they're gonna get something if they share 50%.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
if all the 3 top recipients decide to share,
Yeah.
I
This is
think
a
up to 23,
uh-huh.
I believe. Yeah, would receive 3 mini buildings, yeah.
Oh, 23, okay. So, I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, this is a little bit complicated to understand. You don't need to understand. It's just like, so after this month, then this interface will appear. So, for example, if you gave some tips to others, then you're gonna get tipper grants anyway. And if you are one of the top 3 builders, then you're gonna get builder grants. That amount of the mini buildings you can claim will be appear here. If not, then you just wait until those top 3 builders decide their actions. I mean, if they decide just to take 100% for themselves, which completely fine, they are deserved to do that. To be honest, because they're such a cool builders. Yeah, then probably you just see the next month, and then you try to be like top three maybe for next season, or you start to give tipping for others, maybe you can get tipper grants more later on, right? So yeah, this is the overall system, I think. I have one question actually. So you said there's a tipper grant, right? So these are tippers so far. So how would I get like so for example, say where's Tomo? Tomo here. So Tomo so far gave 220,900. Wow, a lot of tips. Tomo, yeah, you are a really good man, dude. So how what is the like a calculations of this Tomo get the tipper grant? Is it like a pro rata basis, or there's also some kind of like some categories of pools? So what is the
Yeah,
mechanism?
so tipper grant is pretty straightforward. It's
Uh-huh.
just based percentage of a contribution you made.
So proportional.
So yeah, proportional.
Uh-huh. So I guess so Tomo so far gave 229,000. Then let's say the total tips would be like, let's say 1 million. Then
Mm-hmm.
he has about like 22% share
Exactly
of
right.
proportions, and then he's gonna get 22% of those tipper grant pool. I got it. But tipper grant total pool amount is not decided yet, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Do you know the numbers? I forgot.
I've heard that the like that number would be chosen for like I know attractive as possible, so that we can raise more tippers. We can attract more
Yeah,
tippers, right?
it'll be pretty attractive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, to be honest, this is designed again for supporting the cool builders like Undefined, like so just give tips like saying, wow, you're such a cool dude or cool like things to do something. But if you increase your amount of tipping, you will have some chance to earn hunt tokens or mini building. What is the tipper grant? Is it hunt token?
It's actually hunt tokens for the tipper grant.
Why is it actual hunt token? Huh.
Yeah, it's actual hunt tokens, yeah.
So the builder grant, the top three will get, is gonna be based on the mini buildings, but the tipper grants, which is a proportional prize pool for all the tippers, are going to be actual liquid hunt tokens.
Exactly. So it's like hard to divide numbers because it's proportional.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, it'll be just hunt tokens
Yeah.
for that.
Yeah, this is recording and probably will be posted in the YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
So I fixed
yeah.
I fixed the test data for
Uh-huh.
the website.
Oh, really?
If you're
All
yeah,
right.
it should show.
Let's see. Bum 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 bum. Oh my God! Now you say congrats, you're ranked number 3. This is just test, right?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
the test data.
So-
but yeah.
So let's assume that I became the number 3rd of the builder grants. Woohoo! And then, wow, I'm eligible to claim 40 mini buildings. Yay! I'm gonna take. So, do you want to share your grant with other awesome builders and spread the love? Nah, I don't want to spread my love. I want to take all. Then it's 0%?
Mm-hmm.
Then you will claim all 40 mini buildings. If I choose like 40 mini buildings, okay, then I can share 20 mini buildings with others, and I still take 20 others for myself. Then these people will get one each mini building, right? So which is from this
Yeah.
to this.
Right, exactly.
And if I'm Tomo, which I mean will choose like 100% probably. Woohoo! Right, because I have a lot of loves already. I wanna share. all my loves with other all cool dudes and lots of cool builders here. So then, yeah, 40 mini buildings. So from here to, I'm terrible at math. Is it 44 or 54? 53.
43. So
43.
you should be the cut.
Aha, all right. So this is the trick. All right. So can I try now?
You can try.
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll work.
Claim and share. So if I've done this, then actually, by the way, this is very important. I think very important informations. If you become one of the top 3, you must claim within 7 days, right?
Right, 7 days after the claim starts.
Yeah. If not, then you will lose entire chance, and also you will lose the chance to share your loves. Oh my god! So 7 days. When is this gonna claim website will be live? Is it
It should be live at the end of the month or the
So-
start of the month.
August 1st?
Yeah.
Sebaiki, when is the D-Day time to live this claims website? Is there a set time, Sebaiki? So 1st of September. Is there any set time?
You mean 1st of August? Yeah.
August, sorry. Wait, are we still in July? Huh.
Yeah, in July.
Web3 time is sometimes it's too slow. Okay, so August 1st, 00 UTC time. So then what's gonna happen after that? Like let's say 1 a.m. UTC and August 1st. Do we still tipping other people at the time for the next season, or all tipping will be halted? Halt.
It should be seamless, so the new season will start.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. New season starts right away. Okay, so this system is just like for grant receiving decisions process, which is separate process to the tipping system. So in the beginning of every month, we just start new fresh tips, right?
Right. Yeah.
All right. Oh, it's cool. All right. So I think this is most important things you guys need to know, I guess. Oh, do you have any tips like, like kind of strategy if I want, I mean, yeah, I want to be a good person, but also it's good to, earn more as possible. Is there any good strategy for that?
I'm seeing like different use cases.
Uh-huh.
There were a lot of bounty caster bounties going around
Uh-huh.
with tipping, and I've seen Gil trying something new. I think he's. Do you want to explain more about that, Gil? I didn't fully digest your post.
Oh, I do. Okay, Gil, are you there?
Yeah, Gil's here. Yeah.
Okay, hello.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Great.
Okay. Were you talking about tip to mint?
Oh, no, I think, were you guys talking about Tiptament or this one?
I'm confused what Stefan was talking about.
Oh no! I think the top tippers, yeah, the one that P7 is sharing.
Yeah, I
We
think,
just wanted to add another
Yeah.
small thing to the prize pool and reward the top tippers and the top receivers.
wow, top 5 tippers and top 5 receivers. So 10,
Yes.
10 people in total.
Yeah.
And then they're gonna get one pack of this NFT each.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
One pack of.
Everyone, let's really make a big applause. Really, this is like unexpected. It's a really great project. Everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's unexpected, seriously. Yeah, this is really great. Yeah, great use case. Wow. By the way, for people who does not know yet about Farconic, you just go farconic.xyz. Farconic XYZ. It's really beautiful, monumental building NFTs are they kind of keep launching nowadays. And if you keep collecting those buildings, and then there are gonna be more fun things on top of it, like all this beautiful artwork, and then Or maybe Gil, you can explain more better than me, probably actually.
Yeah, so for now we're launching the building NFTs slowly, and in the background we're developing what we'd like to turn into a game in the end. But it's taking
Wow.
us time. For now, we're launching the buildings, and we're trying to make it a bit more fun by incorporating the Farcaster community into it. We've got some cool days lined up with some people who are here in the chat as well, and we're also developing stuff like the package frame, which we also hope to white label. So we'd really like to be able to create frames that are useful for us and then let everybody else use them. So like a package contract where somebody can come, deposit some NFTs into, and then a frame where people can then open a package and get NFTs, and not necessarily just our cards. Hopefully anyone will be able to use our frame, but it's still under development. So
Awesome.
that's that.
So, so top five, receivers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and top 5 tippers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be able to get these lovely packs of NFTs. By the way, if I became the one of the top 5, probably I can donate for other builders because I already purchased some Parkonic already. Anyway, yeah. This is a really great initiative. Thank you so much. This great initiative, Gil.
No worries, and it's a pleasure to be working with Mint Club and Huntown guys. You guys are awesome.
Awesome. Thank you.
Love you, Gil. And to further like answer the question, like how to receive more tips. I think just like sharing what you're building in the Hunt's channel on Warpcast, right?
So there's a Hunt channel in WordCast, right? Here.
Yeah.
Hunt. Yeah, actually, when you share something, just something here, people love to tip. I've seen this. So, for example, yeah, Nikolai. Wow.
Yeah.
Before this, actually, Nikolai was the third one, the rank. I remember. And then, after he posted this, he became number 1 because he started to tip a lot. By the way, this is such a beautiful stat frame though. Yeah. So yeah, this is good example, right?
So like just like because we want the grants and funds to go to the right people. So just share what you're building. Just like explain why you want the grant, and I tend to like whenever I see cool projects being built, I tip all the time. Yeah.
Like this. Artcon shared some tips.
Exactly, right. Yeah.
Nice. And then wow, I love this, and I can just tip like that, right? Woohoo!
But there are different like actions too. You guys probably already know, but you can tip using actions. You can tip by comment. Yeah.
Where's the link I can share? How can I share this link?
Go discover more.
Yeah.
Probably try typing in tip. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Oh, that was it. That one.
Yeah. Click that one.
Yeah. Click this one.
And you can just share that link.
All right.
So if you guys change the number at the end of the URL, like that one is 100 right now.
This
but
one.
if you change to another number, you can.
Like for example, like I did 777, like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Wow, this is cool. This is also made from you, right?
Yeah, that is. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone, look. Undefined is undefinedly cool. All right.
There are other things. I just shared a link. So Kyle actually summarized stuff that I built. You can check it out if you want to see other things I made.
Wow, you have your fandom. So king of your fandoms kind of like attract you what you've done so far and then create this kind of content. This is crazy.
Kyle is my friend.
So Undefined has his own army. He's like BTS. I heard that you actually look like BTS. Is that correct?
Sorry, please. I don't want to be the target. Please save
Awesome.
me.
Okay. All right. And I think there's also another interesting question. Yeah, who came up with the name of Haunted Town? I think Gil asked about the question. I remember. Do you remember how did they come up with the name Haunted Town?
I don't remember actually. It goes way back, right?
Yeah. Seb, do you remember? Are you there, Seb?
Yeah.
Yeah. How did they come up with Haunted Town, the name?
Actually, I already explained there. I'll just give you a link.
Oh, you already explained. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, I and Sonic was talking something, and then yeah, I didn't read that. So it started with Steam Hunt in 2018, first product. We moved Steam. Oh, I remember. Oh my God, that was a really long time ago. Yeah, so there was no any like a big motivation of that name. It's just like we started from Steam Hunt and then we just removed Steam. That's how it became Hunt the Town. This is hilarious. I don't think many people remember Steam blockchain here, so yeah, maybe we can skip that storyline. Oh, so that's why probably some people noticed that the Hunt Town's official Twitter account is still called Steam Hunt. Jesus Christ. This is kind of part of the reason. Like if we change this, then there's some other website already linked with this Twitter account, so we couldn't change it. Yeah, so this is kind of history. Hilarious. Do you guys have more questions about hunt tipping?
I think Mr. Barron asked the question.
Okay, what was that?
He asked a while ago, but he asked if hunt tipping will ever be available on Twitter.
Oh, is
But
it?
I don't know what Twitter is. Do you guys know?
Yeah, I mean, I don't do much Twitter nowadays too. Like I don't know, like I'm kind of living in WordCast nowadays. So, but I've heard that the people using ham tipping in Twitter a lot. Is it?
Oh yeah, I think ham tipping is integrated in Twitter, but
Yeah.
I don't know. Like the API costs for Twitter is just out of the world. Like
So if Mr. Baron donates some operation costs for Twitter API usage, then maybe you can consider.
yeah, sure. I think the minimum is like 3,000
Okay.
per month.
Are you listening, Mr. Baron? If you generously
Mr. Baron.
donate the operation cost of the Twitter API usage, then we will consider. I'm joking. But thank you so much for the suggestion. Yeah.
That 3,000 is only the starting amount. Like that's the bare minimum. You get like 100 word for.
Oh,
for
is
the
it?
starting. It's insane.
Twitter API cost. So the
It's
starting
absolutely
price is 3,000.
It used to be a shit API, but at least it was free. And then they made it not free. And then it's shit and paid. And that's even worse.
What? Now I see. The basic
Wait,
is
it's 1,000.
huh?
Yeah, I mean, who's gonna use basic? It's like
Yeah,
probably
which is nonsense. It's just because the rate limit is 3,000 post. So probably people choose pro, so which is 5,000 per month. What? Yeah. So yeah, Mr. Baron, you see this right? You're saying this right? So yeah, we're waiting 5,000 donation every month, and then yeah, we will start to learn about this Twitter API. Again, I'm joking. Sorry, yeah, don't misunderstand. All right. More questions about hunt tipping or about undefined? Like I mean, how can I become like this cool builders or sort of like that? Any questions like that? Yeah, I heard that so you're in California, I'm in Korea, but I can still smell of your coolness. What is the
Thank
secret
you.
recipe?
The recipe.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just be yourself.
I genuinely ask about this actually. So, you're a developer, basically. So,
Uh-huh.
so you, most of your time supposed to be coding. I mean, based on the people's perceptions. But many people says that no, I see undefined in WordCast. Yeah, I see undefined on the firehouse. I see undefined here. How can you do that?
Well, there was a bug in Farhouse where
Uh-huh.
they failed to parse the username property, and it would show my profile all the time.
When did it happen?
That happened like I don't know. That happens every day.
Oh my
So
god.
people DM me. They're like,
Uh-huh.
"Oh hey, it was nice talking to you on Farhouse," and I'm like, "But I was never in Farhouse." Okay. Thank you for the follow.
Oh, is it because of the your username? So it's
Yeah, it's because of my username.
this
So
is hilarious.
this is a fun story too, but I think the bug is fixed now, but
Uh-huh.
there's Paybot on WordCast, which you can use to send money to other users, right?
Yeah.
And there used to be a bug in there as well where it sometimes failed to fetch the username
Uh-huh.
of the recipient. And
And
like I
then-
would get free money from random users.
And then the blank name is undefined. That's why it's pointing to you actually.
Yeah. And I like it. I like free money, but I always had to like give it back because
Did
for
you?
good
Did you
karma.
really? Did you give them back?
Yeah, I had to. Like, I don't want random free money in my pocket. Like, they're gonna come after me.
Okay, so you're like Tomo, like who is gonna choose 100% share their tips.
Yeah.
With the grant. Okay. Wow. So if someone's username is null, what's gonna happen? It's like what kind of bug is it? Like someone.
So like in like most apps are made JavaScript, and like null usually doesn't happen that much. Like,
Oh, I see.
yeah,
But,
it's usually fine.
But
Yeah.
undefined happens a lot.
Yeah, undefined happens a lot.
Did you like intentionally chose this name, like, or this is some kind of
No, so like I don't know. So I remember the day when
Uh-huh.
we all created our Firecaster accounts back in
Yeah.
the day.
Yeah.
So my FID is 8152, and Sebayaki, who took if handle, is 8151.
Uh-huh.
So we were like just sitting together, we're like deciding which username to use, and he took if, and I'm like, oh fuck, that's pretty cool, right?
This one, if.
Yeah. And I was like, I really want a cool username,
Mm-hmm.
and Tomo took two, and I was really
Two.
tempted to do like a short username. There were
Like
still
this.
some available,
Uh-huh.
but I decided to just go with undefined because I think it fucks my ass every day, like the undefined value. So yeah, so I went with
Wow,
undefined.
the way
I'm getting
like
money if Ento is not, so GG.
Oh, is someone's called Ant? Maybe, right? Ant. And
Yeah, but would
Uh,
have not received free money with that handle? No. So
all right. What about money? Is nothing related to the programming thing?
no.
No, like show me the money. Okay, it's like there's a famous cheat key in the StarCraft.
Yeah, I wanted null too, but it was taken
Null is taken, right? No.
by that monkey guy.
Uh-huh. Oh, and he's active? Oh, he's not active.
Yeah, I think he's gone, but
I hope that in WordCast, if the person is not active over some time, if there's some system, taking this name back to the pool, that'd be cool.
yeah, but I really want the ENS for undefined, undefined.eth.
someone has already?
Yeah, but I can't get the hold of the owner of it.
Uh-huh.
And I did some research, and that ENS is funded with Tornado Cash.
Oh, no.
Yeah, there, like in the transaction history, there is a Tornado Cash transaction for that ENS.
Oh,
So I don't know if I really want it.
yeah. There's a question. Do you want to keep Mint.club and Hunt.town separate project in branding? Is this question to me or undefined? Because I don't want to answer. Because I don't have that answer too.
Yeah, I don't have the answer to.
Okay.
Do you have a good?
There is actually history of this Mint Club project fund. Mint Club did not have any token sales. This actually kind of launched from Hunttown, the platform. So that's why there was a Mint token but swapped from Hunt token. There's a whole drama. So that's how Mint Club has been found. But now Mint Club and Hunttown has a lot of connected ecosystem at the moment. But still, I think the branding is supposed to be separate because the purpose of each platform is different, very clearly different. Like for example, Hunttown is supposed to be like wide guild project, like a community guild project, whereas Mint Club is more like a tool, like Uniswap. We want to make Mint Club like a Uniswap for bonding curve system. All right, so you guys know what we're gonna do now, eh? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna just say bye bye and then finish this session? Poker? Wow, Nelly, you still remember poker? That's also made by Undefined. Do you know that? Wow, he's really cool. Yeah, the poker board also made by Undefined. Yay! Raffle time! Woohoo! Raffle time. Set. So, are we gonna do the raffle by original way, right? So,
Maybe.
yeah, so I think Loza already summarized how to join the raffle in this post. Who does not know well about the process, then please read that. So, please share your wallet addresses now. Yes. Okay, please share. What we're gonna do is that you can mint one POAP NFT from Dixie Club. Also one of our product on top of the Hunt spaces. So yeah, you can mint NFT by adding to the whitelist. So once you share your addresses like that, Sebayaki will collect all of them and then put them into whitelist. Once you've been added to whitelist, once per time, like you can get one POAP NFT. So what I mean is that if you've done so far like 20 times so far, by joining 20 Brickside chat, so like whitelisted 20 times means that you have 20 POAP NFTs to mint. Yeah, so this is the system. Anyway, so this is system. So you have to share your Ethereum wallet addresses to add your wallet addresses in the whitelist. And then after Sebayaki adds them all, then refresh this page of Dixie Club here. Yeah, then this is gonna be changed to that mint, I guess, or I don't know. Next step, the green color of the button will be active. Okay. Seb, when are you gonna start to add those addresses in the whitelist?
Yeah, I hope to add them all at the same time. So maybe give them like 1 more minute and
1 more minute.
close the whitelist.
Okay.
Also,
Until
make sure you have enough Matic in your wallet.
sorry, what is that?
Make sure to have enough Matic in your wallet so you can actually pay the transaction costs.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good point. So you need
And
to
use the MetaMask wallet as well. Sorry.
How much Matic you need to mint? Do you know?
Only less than like 1.0 or something.
Yeah. So this NFT actually is in Polygon network. So you have to change your network to Polygon, and you should have a little bit Matic token. If you don't have Matic token, don't worry. You ask like a whales here, like, can you give me 100 build point please to use the faucet? Yeah, and then once you have that build points, go to the faucet channel, and when you go to the faucet channel, you can get a small amount of the Matic token. Yeah, and then you can mint it. Okay, so that's the system. Okay, go back to the launch. Okay. All right. So until that time, oh, by the way, let's finalize the whitelist first. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9. I'm gonna finalize the whitelisting system so that people can go to the next step, which is minting the NFT. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whitelisted. Done. All right. So, Seb, please add them all in the whitelist. So, if you're added, and then please keep refreshing your page, then this button will be active in the green. If you don't have Matic token, again, you need 100 build point to use faucet. We made faucet so that you can get very small amount of Matic token, very enough amount to mint one NFT here. All right. In the meantime, let's do newbie introduction. Woo, I love newbie introduction. Actually, this is my favorite time. Anyone who want to do introduce about yourself, you're newbie here, you know, and then you wanna say hi. Wow, 54 whitelisted. Cool. Whenever I ask this, like people are kind of reluctant to do the first time to say hi. Then maybe I think I'm.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Who are you?
I'm Brighton.
Brighton, you're not newbie. We all know you.
Yeah, I'm just saying hi.
Okay, you should say hi. All right.
Just saying hi.
All right. Let's toast to newbies here because there are a lot of newbies today. Anyone who wanna say hi? Like first time ever here? No? Okay, then will I choose Alamzi? You're new here, right? You're not new? Sorry. Oh, you can't unmute. It's okay. All right. Then anyone who can turn on your mic, and then you're kind of newbie, so that you can introduce yourself.
Hi there.
Oh, hi. Huh?
Hi, Nikolai is here.
Nikolai, you're here. Where are you, Nikolai?
Yes.
Oh, here. Everyone, let's make a big clap. Nikolai, woohoo!
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
By the way, Nikolai is this Nikolai. Number 1. Did you hear all these things? So far what we said. You're one of the examples we used. Did you
Oh,
see?
this thing changes. It changes so dramatically, you know.
Is it?
You wake up, you're
Yeah.
like in the end of the list, and then yeah. But yeah. Thank you very much for everybody who tipped me today, because that's amazing.
Nikolai, by the way, is very famous. He makes where is that? Yeah, here. So he makes lots of the cool step frames for all the tipping system. One of them is this Hunt. Yeah, thank you so much. This is really legend. Yeah, and he's also famous in DZen because literally everyone uses his frame to check the stats. Where is it? I can't see. But anyway, yeah. Could you introduce a little bit about you, what you do usually in Web3, and where you're based on, sort of like that?
So yeah, I got introduced to Warpcast in February, and when I saw the thing with the frames, it was just fun making some frames, and when I see there is a need for some additional information which is not available of the client and which can be easily fetched with the frame and displayed in the pleasant way. Yeah, I like doing that.
Wow.
Right now, like for the past 2 weeks, I'm working on something totally new. So I'm building out my own database with all the information using the shuttle and some additional database. And once, faced more issues than I expected. So it's delayed. I thought I can do it in a week or so, but it's 2 weeks already and still working on it. But once it's done, I will be able to display much more like ranking information and stuff like this. So for example, you will be able to see like who are the people who made the most likes in the past, let's say, week, and then you can rank yourself and see like, okay, I'm ranked number 23 in the likers this month, stuff like this. So some more amazing stats, and after I'm done with the database setup, I will work on the website where you will be able to see much more analytics
That's
related to
really
the
cool.
Warpcast.
Wow.
Yep.
So like it's kind of some kind of like a separate kind of website that everyone can see all the whole different types of stats they can utilize?
Yeah, something like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome. I really hope that we can invite you for the project showcase in Brickside Chat when it's ready.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Awesome.
I'll be happy to join it.
I always wanted to ask, you actually made this kind of stuff, but you kind of parse the data from your own way, right? Like for example, Hunter Tips. Hunter Tips did not have any API or even like a Dune Analytics to utilize. How did you do that?
It's good to have somebody who helps you inside the project. Yeah.
I see.
Thank you very much, people who created the special APIs for me. Yeah.
Okay, I see. And everyone, this is the most famous frame, I guess, the Gen frame. Like if you're doing WordCast, probably literally all of you actually have clicked my step first time.
Yeah, this one was used, I think, more than 6 million times so far.
Wow,
So.
awesome! Wow, that's really cool. All right, so I really want to see your project showcase soon in Brickside Chat, and thank you so much for dropping by today. And I hope you win in 5 days. Still number one. I hope that. Okay, thank you so much. Woohoo!
Thank you.
All right,
with your support, guys, I'll probably win. Thank you.
No pressure at all, please. Yeah, you deserve to take all, really. So no pressure at all. But yeah, thank you so much. All right. Miracle, not enough gas fee, not enough build points. Yep. Anyone to give him 100 build points? Like what I can give him? I have to keep running this. So please give him Miracle the 100 build points so that he can use Faucet. So right now, what is the progress? Seb, how many people minted?
30 people still minting.
30 people still minting. So we have to wait more. Okay. So John wants to have 100 build points. Can anybody give him 100 build point, please? All right. And
you can also do quests in the quest channel to get build points throughout the weeks, and then you'll be able to spend them on the faucet yourself.
Yeah, that's really good tips. So technically, if you are ready, actually, in the meantime, in the weeks, by dropping by where is it? Discord quest. Yeah, there's a quest channel. See, people are spreading a lot of build points to you. Yeah, like by like just following GFAM, Pinterest, and then get 30 build points, and follow Nectar, and then retweet the post and get 100 build points. Very easy to get build points. Yeah, so you can be prepared in advance. Then you can just mint right away. Yeah, this is a great tip. Thank you. Okay.
Hey guys.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Who
I'm
are
Cauliflower.
you? Oh, cauliflower. Everyone. Woohoo! Cauliflower. Hello.
Hi. Thank you for the welcome. I really appreciate it. Daddy chill. Daddy chill. Daddy chill.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Hey, just wanted to introduce myself real quickly.
Yep.
I'm a close friend of Undefined and Toe, and I'm looking forward to discovering more things in Web3. I'm a current software engineer in Web2, but looking to build some cool stuff right now in Web3. So
Oh wow. So you're a developer
Web2.
in Web2 at the moment, but you're looking
Yes.
for something developing cool things in the Web3. What
Yeah.
what kind of
To know.
software engineers in Web2?
I'm a full stack software engineer working. I've had opportunities to work in creating like TV apps to web apps.
Wow. Let's see. So everyone, this is Cauliflower's workcast, by the way. If you can follow, I'm gonna do now.
Definitely not.
Uh-huh.
I'm getting the hang to understand the whole WordCast and Web3 world right now, but definitely looking into the field and hoping to join more of the calls like this.
Awesome. I think you can join the Mongdi X Season 3 program, which is gonna be launched soon, probably on September.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
yeah, that is designed for that, like targeting for people like you, you're very specialist in Web2, and then kind of knocking
Yeah.
on the Web3 world, and
Yeah, this is amazing.
the whole 5 weeks program turn you into Web3 person. That's the purpose of that program.
Perfect.
Yeah, like the people like Mochigom here, or
Mhm.
yeah, there are a lot of people here. Cherry, they're all from that program, and then they became kind of huge Web3 person in WordCast. So I think yeah, this is perfect program for you too.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I recognize some of the guys' user ID names, FIDs.
Yeah,
Let's go.
awesome. Where are you based on?
I'm currently located in Los Angeles, California.
Wow. I heard that Undefined is in Los Angeles. Did you guys bump into yet? I mean, this is
I'm
pretty
sorry?
large area.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, you did? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So he is
Yeah.
real person. Like many people are
Yeah,
confused
we're
that
good friends.
many people confused that undefined. Are you sure you actually met the undefined? It could be a different person.
The undefined.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I meant the undefined.
Are you really sure?
Yes, sir.
I'm joking. Yeah, probably you met the undefined. But yeah, really welcome to see you here, and I hope to see you like quite often in the hunt town space, and maybe you can jump into hunt tipping soon, so that you get lots of tips from your cool software stuff pretty much soon, and maybe you can check out the Mongdi X Season 3 program too. That's gonna be really fun.
That's amazing. Looking forward to it, guys.
Okay, everyone, let's make a big applause for her. Welcome.
Thanks.
What the
What was what last sounds somebody made? Yeah.
Yep.
Hello. Who are
Hello, hello.
who is speaking?
Hello.
Yeah, who is speaking?
This is Sasson, Mr. Sasson, the chili pepper. Chili pepper.
Where are you?
Right
I can't see you.
All right.
What?
Right next to Nick Kidder,
Nah.
or Mr. Kid. Right up, down.
Down.
Right to the right.
Oh,
Right.
all right.
Excellent.
Oh, you said that
Yeah.
you couldn't unmute your mic. Now you could. Yay.
Yeah.
Woohoo. So, Mr. Sajon. Is that correct?
Oh,
Mr. Sajon.
bro. Oh, yeah.
Could you, introduce yourself, please? I mean,
Oh, yeah, of course. How's it going, y'all? How's it going? Sason here. I've been in the space roughly for about 4 years now. Kind of started around, the era of, what was it, like 2019-ish. So got into spaces and then really, dug myself into Web3. Currently, just kind of fast forwarding, we now kind of have a community of roughly about 400 people with multiple projects on multiple blockchains. Alongside that, we have now been focusing in more on Warpcast and Farcaster and just kind of bringing our community into there and introducing them to, all the kind of opportunities or just a different social engagement on Warpcast. And yeah, I'm also a creator, producer, artist. I've been to multiple conferences. I've spoke at NFT NYC.
Wow.
I spoke at Chicago, showcased around the nation from LA to Denver to Miami. And I'm just here for the vibes, and I'm loving what Hunt is doing and what they're introducing just to the Web3 space. And yeah, man, I'm all on it. I'm all aboard.
Awesome. So yeah, this is Sajon's profile, and then there's a workcast. I was looking for your workcast actually to see.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah. So this is a workcast. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna follow. Everyone's follow him. So you're artist, producer, gamer, a lot of things.
There's a lot of hats, man. Yeah.
What is the most representative identity about yourself?
I would say from this space, it's probably between my art, producing, and speaking. Just kind of I combine all of those. Kind of, I wear that hat the most, and just kind of just being, out there and showcasing.
Is there any place to see your artwork, like kind of showcase for it?
I don't know. If you go into the pod channel, so we actually have a channel on Workcast.
Oh, personal website. Here, I found it.
That should pop up. There you go.
Wow. Haha. That's really cool.
Yeah,
That's really cool. Oh my God. Is that your artwork?
It is, yes. I'm still updating, but yeah, I'm working and doing a bunch of different things. But yeah, I also work with a lot of different artists, creators, produce, film people, anything, any creator. I'm, all aboard and just helping onboarding them into this space and, just kind of guiding them, hopefully in the right direction.
You have lots of music too.
Mr. Evil.
You have lots of music too. Actually, Tomo here, he's really into music, especially he's really good at rap, like hip hop. Yeah, I think it's gonna be cool. You guys,
rap.
Yeah.
For sure, definitely. I'm down to connect with anybody. My DMs are always open. Follow me.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Tomo sometimes did like a beatbox and then rap here, and it's like a little kind of concert.
Let's go. Yeah. No, I also have board as well. That's where kind of the community hangs out, where we're like making music or just drawing together.
Oh my God, that's really fun! Wow, I'd love to see that collaborations between you guys.
Yeah, man, we call ourselves the Pod. So if you ever see kind of like a whale or anything, so yeah, we're very multifaceted and developer.
Awesome.
So,
all right.
Glad to meet you.
All right, thank you so much to show up today, and I hope see you constantly next Brickside Chat too. Oh,
Always.
By the way, where are you based? Are you also in United States?
Yes, Chicago. Sorry,
Chicago. Wow, Chicago, cool. I actually studied in Ohio State. It's kind of just 5 hours away.
Yes, I've been to Ohio. Been to Cedar Point. Gone to. Yeah, it's fun. It's nice. I love it.
Awesome. All right. See you next Brickside Chat too.
Chicago.
Oh, another person from Chicago. Where?
Who did?
I'm in like the Wheeling area. This is Jackie.
Jackie,
I have to
hey.
thank you for letting me mint the co-op and for all your help lately.
So you're also from Chicago? Jackie.
That I am, correct.
Oh, cool. I've been to Chicago like 5 times. It's one of my most favorite cities in the States. So I'm sure that Jackie, you're also artist, right? I remember that. So I explore your amazing artwork too.
I am, and currently right now I am on the last day of minting on Rarible. So if you guys want the druid that is now deemed FU degen, like mint, it is up for one more day.
Wow. So everyone, this is Jackie's wordcast, and this one you're talking about.
If it's the druid in the concrete area, yes, that is
Awesome.
my current release, and I was really happy with it just coming out when it did, and just sort of feels right, oddly enough.
Wow, yeah. This is in Tejos. Oh, interesting. Wow. Tejos blockchain, right?
Say that again?
The Tejos? Like, yeah, I've heard that the lots of artists actually working around in Tejos. This is on
Tezos?
Yes.
Well, no, the one that I have right now that's on Rarible is with Degen.
Oh.
And I think
the Rarible, this one.
A different artist.
Okay. So this is different thing. Okay, yeah. Oh, this
The
is
one
really
that
cool,
looks like a heart and feathers, that's an
Yeah.
artist that my friend found today, and it's a free mint if anybody wants it who's on Tezos, but that
okay.
is my piece.
Sorry, I thought that this is your work.
No, it's gorgeous though. I wish I
Yeah,
would have
it's really
done it.
gorgeous. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, we're really excited to see you here, and thank you so much joining Brickside Chat. And I hope we can see your project showcase soon in Brickside Chat if it's possible. Because I
would
see,
love that.
yeah. Okay. Awesome. All right. I think the times is up, so we really need to run raffle. Okay, who are you? Okay, really quick, please, because we need to run the raffle now.
That's CryptoFire.
CryptoFire. Hello, CryptoFire.
Yeah. I'm good. I wanted to I've been enjoying what's going on here. Okay, but I wanted to ask a question before Nikolai left when you were speaking with Nikolai, right? I wanted to ask him and some other builders over here. Since I know Hometown as a place for builders to rise and develop themselves and put something up. Like Hometown is a place you get encouraged, okay, for builders, both new and old builders. So I'm trying to ask if there's a program, maybe a program should be created or arranged for young builders, people who are new into Web3, for people like Project 7U, Nikolai, and Undefined, to impact your knowledge on the young builders. You understand? Like coach them, put up things that will encourage them, and maybe some programs that they can say, okay, let me go through this program. After going through this program, I will become better person in Web3. So that is my question. Thank you.
That's good idea. I mean, to be honest, I'm not that kind of person who can, I'm young builder too. I mean, in terms of the knowledge, I'm still learning. So I'm not sure if I can teach something, but I think there are a lot of programs already in the base community. I'm not sure if you have ever checked the on-chain summer, and then there's a whole educational sections. So you can check with that too. And I think Huntertown is planning to launch some Web3 onboarding club program, like as kind of similar name of Mongdi X program. Maybe you can check that program soon later on. I think that's a really great idea to make some interesting program led by those very knowledgeable builders like Undefined and Nikolai, or other builders. Not me, I'm not knowledgeable. Yeah, so thanks so much for your suggestion. Okay. And yeah, really good to see you here, CryptoFire. I hope we can see you next Brickside Chat too.
Always, always.
All right. Okay. All right. Let's really do the raffle. Okay, Seb, can I finalize, right? No, we really need to finalize.
Yeah, we still have like 20 people left, but
yeah, as Sebaki mentioned, if you can't do at the moment the raffle, don't worry. You can always join next one because it's based on the like number of your POAP NFTs. So if you have more number of POAP NFTs, then that increases the chance of your raffle earning next time. So yeah, don't worry about it. Okay, so Seb, as soon as you're ready, please let me have those finalized number.
Okay, I'm collecting the data. Maybe 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute? Huh. 1 minute is like kind of enough time to have one more person's introduction.
It's done.
It's done. All right. Okay. Nelly's counting. Okay. Woo! A lot. Copy. Okay. All right. Ta-da!
Daddy, chill.
Wow, this is the final number. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do the raffle. We're gonna choose 10 lucky people who is gonna get one mini building NFT each. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Whee!
Daddy, chill. Daddy, chill.
Yeah! All right. The first person to get one mini building NFT is 514. Woohoo! 514. Seb, are you collecting?
What the hell?
Are you collecting the wallet addresses or whatever? Yeah, okay, that's Lisa. Alright, congratulations, Lisa. Second person, also lucky to get one mini building NFT is. Oh God! Number 191. 191. 191. Yep. Not my Mr. Carter. Oh, it's Mr. Baron. Congratulations. Woohoo! Alright. The third person, also lucky to get one mini building NFT, is. Bum, 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 bum. 89. Wow. Really, one of the OGs. 89. Congratulations. Is Kyler? 89? Oh, Stonish! Good to see you back, dude. Alright. The fourth person to get also one mini building NFT is. Bum, ba, bum. 194. 194. Congratulations. 194. I feel like I'm actually running some lottery program. It's like a lotto. So who is 194, Seb? Mr. Kyler. Hey, all right. Okay, congratulations.
I wasn't paying attention.
The fifth person, also lucky to get one mini building NFT, is everyone. One of the OGs, which is 74. 74. Woohoo, one of the OGs.
That's me again.
Kyler is super lucky today. Kyler is again. Alright. The sixth person also get one mini building NFT is 451. 451, which may not be Mr. Kyler. Who is this lucky person? Yay, Dorong, congratulations. Woohoo. All right, the seventh person, is it seventh person? Yeah, seventh person to get 1 minute building NFT is 376. 376. Who is this lucky person? 376. Yeah, I know, not you. Hey, Nelly! Congratulations. Woohoo! Okay, so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 2 left. 2 left. Okay, 8th person. No, 9th person. 9th person, yeah. The lucky person is. Oh my god. Wow, that's super OG. See? Wow, Mr. Carter, you're so lucky today. And see, like Carter probably has 20 pop, right? More than 20. So this is why like increasing your chance of winning. Yeah.
I have 25.
25. See? So yeah, visiting Brickside Chat as many as you can. Then you can keep increasing your number of pop NFTs, which will increase your chance of earning many building NFTs like that. Yeah, actually, Mr. Carter is proving that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so 2 more persons, right? 2 more persons.
Yes.
All right, the 9th lucky person to get 1 minute building NFT is yay 320. Woohoo! 320. Is yours again? Really? Is yours again, Kyder? No. Okay. Oh, Earthgone. All right. Congratulations. Is it done or still one more person?
One more.
One more person? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. The last person, everyone. Hope it's you. Hope it's you. The last person. The luckiest person is number 164. 164. Who is this lucky person? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Wow, Christine! Woohoo! Congratulations, Christine. All right. Wow. All right. This is really fun. Brickside Chat again, everyone. So again, Brickside Chat is bi-weekly online meetup. So we're gonna host this in 2 weeks space from now. Okay. Hope you have great night, great evening, great day, or maybe like a sleeping like undefined right now. And see you next, everyone. Bye bye. Bye.